Hello, my name's Bryony and I'm from Ayrton. And it's really exciting for us to announce the launch of VELOCE Profile, the second profile after VELOCE Profile in our new Ultimate range. And this feels like the perfect moment to introduce the story behind the Ultimate range and to explain why we felt that now was the right time to release it. Our engineering team here at Ayrton wanted to produce a smaller, streamlined product line which would have exceptional features. And we wanted every fixture to have a zoom range from really narrow to wide, so there is no more need for a separate and therefore additional long throw fixture. It was also important that the profile fixtures could be used as either profiles, beams or spots, which is why so much work was put into developing all the features.
And of course, all the features are consistent across the Ultimate range. Same zoom range, the LED engines match, we have the same gobos, the same colours and the same effects.
We also chose to launch a parallel set of wash fixtures with Fresnel lenses. A Fresnel lens creates a unique softness and beam quality, and this second option was very important to us. We do not want to see the Fresnel lens disappear. The Ayrton engineering team started developing the previous range back in 2015 with Ghibli, and the following products were versions of that. That was when we started creating more sophisticated and advanced products. And the Ultimate range represents the culmination of our accumulated experience since 2015 and the opportunity to incorporate engineering advancements that were not possible at the time of our earlier models. Streamlining the shape of the fixtures was a priority for us. The square-shaped design of the body means that both sides of the fixture are parallel. This is of course necessary anyway for the moving parts to travel up and down, and as a result we don't waste any space inside the fixture. The pan and tilt motors, the encoders and the belts that used to live in the yoke have been relocated to the head and base, and as a result the yoke is narrower and the fixture takes up less space. There is consequently no need for the yoke to be sealed, and therefore the yoke covers are thinner and lighter as they can be made of plastic. Both sets of yoke handles have been placed closer to the centre of gravity of the fixture to make it more ergonomic to handle. And finally, in order to create the smallest space possible, the handles have been moved to the yoke also. The thickness of the aluminium covers has been reduced to a thickness of 1.6 mm at its thinnest, making them very light for IP65 covers. It is the aluminium composition of the covers that protects the fixture in salty environments, whether near the sea or the desert. The metal covers also play an important part in cooling of the fixture. The aluminium covers and metal structure help dissipate internal heat from the engine more effectively due to their large surface area. This efficient heat dissipation speeds up the cooling process, allowing the heat to escape faster, energy consumption is reduced, and this allows the fixture to be more compact. You also may have noticed that the fixtures feel warm to the touch when they are powered on, but not outputting any light. This is because all of our IP65 fixtures are equipped with heaters that maintain the internal temperature to a minimum of 45 degrees Celsius. This ensures you can use the fixture in all conditions, including down to -20 degrees.
This means that every fixture is suitable for use in extremely hot, dirty and dusty environments, as well as in freezing cold conditions or throughout the winter, even in heavy rain.
The most significant advancement made by the Ayrton engineering team in the Ultimate range is in the colour mixing system, with the complete redesign of the cyan, magenta, yellow and CTO flags. In the previous flag system, the colour graduation was spread across 2 small flags. But in our new wheel system, this range is distributed across a much larger surface as the disc rotates. And it gives us much more resolution for colour mixing, This is crucial when reproducing precise pastel colours. A wheel design is also far more sophisticated than a flag design in terms of producing an even colour spread across the glass. This is computer calculated to ensure the colour spread becomes progressively more saturated across the entire beam in every direction, preventing the edges from being darker than the centre. And as the beam is fully covered by the dichroic glass at all times, colour fringing is greatly reduced. All our IP65 and IP66 fixtures are equipped with a cold weather protection mode activated by default. This is why they sometimes feel warm even though they aren't in use. Our fixtures can operate outdoors in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius as well as in the rain. So to make sure the fixture can operate in freezing cold temperatures, the internal heating system maintains the internal temperature at 45 degrees Celsius, thanks to a sensor that measures and adjusts the temperature in real time. Our software developers have just released a new software update that allows for a continuous pan when using Revolve Profile, VELOCE Profile, and soon all other fixtures with infinite pan when combined with an automated follow spotting system. You need to put the fixture in 360-degree mode, and the fixture knows to take the shortcut between 360 degrees and 0, or 0 degrees and 360 without flipping. This is a clear advantage over fixtures that don't have infinite pan, as there is no need for rigging fixtures on their sides or additional programming to switch between fixtures, and no chance the fixture might accidentally flip mid-show.